A wrongful death is a situation where a loved one has been killed due to the fault of someone else. In Ontario, if your loved one has died, you can bring a lawsuit or claim if you're a close family member. So there's something called the Family Law Act that allows immediate family, and this would be parents, siblings, children, and grandparents. Those are the main individuals who can bring a wrongful death lawsuit in Ontario. It's up to the police to decide whether they will charge a person who might be responsible. Even if a person is not charged, it doesn't mean there is no right to bring a lawsuit. The other side of this is a civil lawsuit that we would bring to protect the interests of the family and to honor the memory of the loved one who was killed. If a loved one has been killed and now your family does not have the benefit of their income, you can bring a claim for the loss of income due to the death of your family member. Also, if you can no longer work because you're grieving, you also can be compensated for your actual loss of income. If a loved one has been killed, it's essential that you have a lawyer look at what your rights are. And it's very important to have a lawyer to do this, to make sure that the events that led to your loved one's death are investigated, and also to make sure that evidence is preserved. Most recently, I'm extremely proud of the work we did on the Bloor case, where the highest amount in Ontario history was awarded and allowed by the Ontario Court of Appeal for the death of a child. When someone comes into our office and they have lost a loved one, there's nothing that hits home as hard as that. We have to make sure that the rights of that loved one are preserved and the memory of the person who's died are honored as well.